Sidla uSlay Queen, guys. uSlay Queen akazali. It's been long. I think isekwanise 2 years. Inkukhu leyi ngayiphi igama ngayithi nguSlay Queen. Maybe ngayenza imistake ngokuthi ngiyiphi igama elithi Slay Queen. Because inkukhu leyi since ayizali. Iyabeka sometimes beka amaqanda ayi-4 yeki. Ezinye sezizale zagcwalisa isibaya, but yona i-just i-decoration. Inkulu nokuba nkulu, but hayi uSlay Queen uyehlulekile ukuzala. So namhlanje ngithi hayi uSlay Queen khanya wena ungiletheli into phaa esibayeni ngigqibela ukutya qha. So ngithe Slay Queen ima ngikutye kancinci. Because hayi mina nawe inganasingenelani ukuthi uyehlala esibayeni sami nje for free, eating my food for free, ukutya kwami for free. So namhlanje ngichuza ukuthi sitye uSlay Queen, guys. Come and join me sisitye uSlay Queen. It's very hot. Atshisa la manzi. Ngiyabhoyile. Don't check igedlela yami le, guys. Igedlela yami le ngiyokubhoyila emlilweni. I don't want ukuthi ngishise imbiza zami. So ngihambe ngabasa umlilo e-chicken house, and then don't mind it. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. We do Slay Queen today. Let's eat to Slay Queen. Umkhulu Slay Queen. Where cheese? I think kumele ngichithe amanzi la. Ngifake kwenye idish. Nenhloko yakhe ikhona. Uyi-red uSlay Queen. Yeah, so uSlay Queen umkhulile, guys. Now uSlay Queen. Slay Queen is a big chicken. Kodwa ade ngafuna ukuzala. So namuhla uSlay Queen siyamusa. Akazali uSlay Queen. I think ngayenza imistake ngomphiliso. Inkukhu zami zonke zilamabizo. Leyo kuyi-Slay Queen. I give her ibizo ngathi nguSlay Queen ever since emncane. So yeah, namhlanje siyamnca uSlay Queen. Sithi uSlay Queen, I think ibizo elithi Slay Queen lahle bayenza inkukhu yami yangasazali. Next time ayenza ukuyiphi igama ezinye inkukhu ezitsheni ezithi Slay Queen. Because engingaziphiwanga amagama like uSlay Queen ziyazala kahle. Leyi ngiyenzela unonile uSlay Queen. Unonile njengamafutha. And besebeka again. Besebeka jo. Ukuthi la maqanda I think besaqalile. So hayi kule nyama enonile uSlay Queen. Asiphekele uSlay Queen nawo. About your what did you just say about what's okay, don't make yourself slow. What is happening? And the food is done, and the supper was delicious, was marvelous. So how we finish eating our dinner, our supper, everything is good. Thank you so much. Bye.